Hey folks, this video is the last in the series of storyboarding on paper. So please take this with a grain of salt, but my definition of what clean suggests is that your characters are on model, perspective is good, it looks correct, and there's enough visual depth with tonal value. These SpongeBob and Pixar boards are amazing, but they don't really match that definition. When numbering your panels, each background will be a part of a specific scene. And within each scene, you're going to have to number your panels. So you got to number them accordingly. A good way to think about it is every time the background changes, the scene number is going to change. So when doing cleanup drawings, I think you should choose a material that you're comfortable using, just so long as it produces a clear, readable drawing. I encourage tracing, but I don't think you should be overly precious. Remember, it's just a storyboard. It's a tool that's going to help you with your animation production. Alright, so let's wrap this up. I think you should go from a script to thumbnails to a rough board. I think you should make sure that you use a variety of shots and thinking about cinematography. And of course, when you're happy with that first edit of the board, give it to some friends so you can get some feedback. Once you've gone back and refined it, then spend some time numbering and cleaning up and getting everything nice and perfect. So I hope this video series was helpful. Do me a favor, go give this a shot. Thanks for watching. Bye.